What do you do in your spare time?
In my spare time, I often listen to music.
Well, I have always been a music lover, so whenever I have free time, I just put on my earphones and enjoy my favorite tunes. To me, music provides an escape from the busy life and it is both relaxing and therapeutic. How do you usually spend your evening?
I often stay in my room and do assignment.
There's not much to say about my evening, I'm afraid. I tend to spend most of my time working on class assignment. People may find the way I spend my evenings dull, but as final years come, I have important exams to prepare for, so I hardly find times for other activities. Do you prefer to stay at home in the evenings, or do you prefer to go out?
For me, I prefer to stay at home.
Well, I prefer relaxing at home in the evening because it simply allows me to spend more quality times with my family members, where I can do and enjoy pretty much everything, like watching my favorite movies or playing video games, by laying down on the sofa couch in the comfort of my home. Do you think people today have more time to relax than in the past?
Yes, I think so.
Well, the most comprehensive data from the Major Time Use survey suggests that, if any, today we have more free time than earlier generation. That's right, the number of hours we work has not changed much, but we spend less time now at home for tasks, so we have greater amount of time for leisure than in decades past.